saw a car coming, it scared me. Go grab some.
Okay.
Southside energy, Southside energy. Southside energy.
Fuck. Motherfuckers in foot pursuit south side of Synergy. Shit, I'll break the fuck up. I'm carrying that motherfucker with me. I'm not gonna be on me with that bitch being here. Nigga shoot at the wrong motherfucker. Jump out. Animal control. I'll shoot that nigga. Okay.
940.
Rebuild salvage.
940.
It's stopping.
We're getting reports of mail truck confirming you had the mail truck at Synergy.
10-4, the mail truck is at Synergy. The driver was shot.
Temple.
That's what I'm talking about. America. Fuck. Okay. Let me see. What did they say? Joe's logged on. And I'm logged on.
Any unit available for shots fired call by Ross Elementary.
Oh, fucking serious?
736, I'm logging in. Show me in a route.
Timber gold car pulled over at Ross. The white male, blonde hair, wearing a black shirt, long hair with an animal with him. His subject shot at 2 vehicles.
Animal with him. Let me go get my shit on.
723, that sounds like the actor.
Get him.
736, I'll be in route code.
Is it Ross Elementary?
Timber 736.
Fuck's Ross Elementary at? Fuck.
3429, that location.
Ross Elementary, 4600 North Everglade.
Ooh, 4600 North Everglade. Okay.
Headquarters, can you ascertain if that call just happened or is that past call?
Right here.
Within the last 3 minutes.
2. 26 will be in route to Ross.
Right there.
Timber 726.
That's where he's at.
525.
His North Dixie.
Route to Ross.
Everglade right here.
Timber 525 and 824 en route to Ross.
I see that call on Ross.
42nd down here.
1202, headquarters, I'll be in route to Ross.
1202. That's a state trooper.
Timber 70242.
Synergy, stand by. On traffic.
Shots fired at Synergy.
Units, all units, shots fired. Friendly fire.
Say friendly fire?
Negligent discharge.
Negligent discharge. Oh, fuck.
Take one headquarters, release traffic.
Whew, so y'all got one nigga. There's somebody else?
Timber 902.
Synergy, we're code 4.
Timber code 4 at Synergy.
Heard from Synergy, go route to Ross.
They think he's like the main actor. And all
Timber
this shit.
1232.
So that nigga took off this way and the other motherfucker took off that way.
I'm clear from Yukon and Granny. What do you need me?
You got motherfuckers from
Timber
1788.
Well, shots fired from 2 different vehicles.
Evidently.
704 headquarters, I'm 1060 Ross. Where's he supposed to be? 1237, of course, we're making contact with the subject over here off of 49th and Everglade, Charles.
See, nigga, you fucking with motherfuckers from Odessa, bitch. You come, you jump your ass. I'll help pop. Ah! Fuck! These niggas can shoot.
And you realize the only one there is just the, may continue there.
And nigga took a shot. I forget what he said it was. And, a 223 or something like that. And he said,